Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with these old trannies, these old DAS ones. My question was, can it fit in a large J-box? Because it fucking looks pretty close. Today, I got my triangle screwdriver. So let's open it up. Let's see if it fits. Bit of fire in this one. Bit of smokage. Let's keep diving. Wow, there's just no regulation or nothing. Just straight through. There's your earth. Oh well. So yeah, easy enough to repair. Question is, does it fit in the box? And I think it fucking does, eh? You can fit these into these old fucking alarm boxes. Let's cut it out. Let's really cut it out and see if it fits. And there's your finished product. The old DAS ones fit into a large J-box. FYI, cunts. Now you know. Now you know. Just wanted to add this little tidbit of it up and running during about 18 volts with no load. And I just want to show you how I wired it up on the inside for all you fucking doubters out there. There you go. That's how I've wired it up. Used fucking bootlaces, proper terminal block, and I even used the fucking triangle screw that come off the old power supply. There you go. All neatly in a nice little fucking tight package.